Hello everyone, this is Gabrielle, and in this tutorial I will be showing you guys how to add a story to a FamilySearch profile. So first you'll need to sign in to FamilySearch. Once you do that, your name will come up in this right hand corner. Then I'll have you click on Family Tree and Tree. Next I'll have you click on the person Then you'll go to the Memories tab. However, I'll scroll down to Stories. Click Create Story. So here I can upload photos if I have photos that go along with my story, and then it shows that it is public. So you'll want to add a title to your story. Then you will write your story in this text box. As you can see, I've added a short story about making cookies with my grandma. Once I do that, I can scroll up to the top and click Save Story. Then when I'm on her profile, I can scroll down to Stories and see it here. Now let's say I misspelled something or I wanted to correct it. Then I can click Actions and I can delete it if I want to. That's not what I want to do right now. Right here I can click Edit. I can share the story, I can edit it, I can tag people in it. Since I mentioned my sister in here, I could type in my sister's name. I can add an event date, an event place, and then I can also write a comment about it. So that is how you add a story to a FamilySearch account. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments and I'll get back to you guys. And don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, bye.